Once upon a time, there were two little human in a village.
Hi.
Microwave!
What the drumstick? What's going on?
Uh-oh.
Hi. Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be playing this game called... Wait, my head just spun too sexy. Wait, what's
I
it
love
called?
that game. I love that game.
Microwave dinner. I don't even know how to play this, but
Me either. So you guys are gonna
apparently
play
it's good.
together.
So
Oh! This is my food.
I want this.
Hey,
I see someone. Oh, that's not a person.
is that
slime.
my cousin?
I reckon you're one of them tourists.
Excuse me? Is that bad?
Welcome to Bluefort Port. You met the best farmer on the island. That I am.
Okay. Like, how is that valuable
Wait, okay.
information? I want to eat your plants on microwavable dinner. I'm gonna give your plants radiation.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
X equal roll.
Oh!
Oh no!
How do I stop it? Oh, you jump. Jump! Jump!
Oh, you jump. Oh, I got electrocuted. Okay.
Wait, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to fly? Oh, that makes sense.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah, we fly. I forgot that was a feature. Wait, how do we fly? Oh, we fly. How do we fly? You're not telling me.
You press shift.
Oh, okay.
I died while I was mid-air. Maybe I had to get like some special power. Wait, come to the sky and come to the place and we'll talk to this guy.
Ow! I'm
Wait.
crashing.
Sub. Can I make subscribe? Sub. B. Who?
Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across the water to the lighthouse.
Ooh, wait. That's kind of smart.
Ooh.
That would be so cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, so what did
Oh!
I spell? Wait. I forgot how to fly. Okay, wait. I can fly. Now I'm scared. Okay. Wait, I fell in the water and I didn't get electrocuted.
I have to restart now. Okay, like this? Bro!
I made it.
Why is this game so hard?
I made it. Raft.
Wait,
What do I do now?
Hello?
Makes sense. These rafts don't work, so don't even.
Bro, what? That's unfair.
What's unfair? I forgot what the kid said.
How do I get over there? How do I do this?
You could probably use this ramp to get a bunch of speed and go across the water to the lighthouse. What ramp?
This ramp.
Oh.
No, you cannot. This dude is such a liar.
Oh my gosh, wait. I'm cool. Oh.
Why do we even need to go to the lighthouse?
Because there's someone there that needs help.
My flippity flips.
Oh, wait. I made it. Oh, no, I didn't. But you just gotta go in head first to the water, and then you'll make it.
I literally did that, and I just
Watch
died.
me, watch me, watch me, watch me.
I'm watching you
Look at
like
me.
a hawk.
Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, I hate this game. This was the worst game to be created. Stop calling me. What do you want? You stink. No. No, no, no.
There's no
I'm
way.
gonna rip my hairs out of my head.
I've done this 5 times. I've done this 5 times.
Please, please, please,
Okay.
please, please. No.
Okay. Oh.
You saw that. No, it's not that I'm bad anymore. It's not that I'm bad anymore. It's just like if it was better for like a 20 more seconds, I
think
would
it might be because you're bad. Okay. You're pausing too early and you're not hitting fly.
I actually hold glide before I hold like shift. What?
So you let go of your X, you jump, and then you press shift. You let go of your X, you jump, then shift. It's so easy, dude.
Okay. Well,
You don't press all the buttons at the same time. It's literally the step thing. Let go, jump, shift. Okay, ready? Go. Let go, jump, shift. Look at me. Made it. You gotta go pretty far. You gotta go like around here and stop. Oh my god.
okay. I'm gonna go really far from the thing. How about that? Hello?
Event. Yeah, you got this. Oh my god, you're so close. You did it.
Hey guys. So I finally did it.
Okay, we made it.
After
Now-
wait, hold on. Guys, after
Who is this
about
person?
like 15 like maybe like up like a like 5 minutes this was like 30 minutes. I don't know how long it really took. We finally made it. I was so buns at it. Literally already got like past like 50 times. So let's read what this guy says.
Oh, poor lighthouse. How sad.
I'm so tired now.
Oh, hi. I was looking at the lighthouse. Have you been inside it? No. They stopped constructing halfway through the renovation inside. I can't even get to the top because the staircase is incomplete. Maybe you can get to the top. And I've seen you jumping around. You're like a ninja.
Shut up.
I need 200 jump sticks.
Can you
Oh.
do I have to go back there?
Yeah, but it's not hard, okay? There's a ramp right here. Ready?
Oh, I just got some. Okay, well
Ready?
I just got some drumsticks.
I made it back.
It's okay. If I don't make this, you have to subscribe.
Okay.
And if I do make this, you have to subscribe. So it's not a choice. It's like literally.
Okay, let's see it. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Oh. Wow. Oh, wait. This could be good. This could be. Oh, wait, I'll help you up.
You guys have to subscribe. It's not a choice.
Where do we go now? I think we go over here. No, I see other people here, so maybe this is the right way. There's a volcano or a mountain.
Just
I
collect
don't know.
drumsticks. There's literally drumsticks everywhere.
Okay.
What's in here? Can I go in here? No.
My microwave just opened,
I know.
and I saw the inside of my brain.
I've been getting drumsticks, so I have 64. Guys, I have 67 drumsticks. Hello.
I only have 29.
Skill issue.
And plus, more drumsticks, the merrier. Like, everybody loves drumsticks. Like, who would not want a drumstick? Like, what?
Like maybe a pianist. They don't play the drum.
Okay.
Or they're like
Good
a
pun.
guitarist. Maybe even a singer who just uses.
Why is this box shiny? Is something in there? I see a golden chest. Oh.
Where?
Ooh. I'm opening that. I can't reach it. It's too high.
Where though?
And then near this, I don't know, like, cargo.
Cargo.
Like, it's not the popular it's a different cargo area
Okay, I was
than the
just there.
star.
I'm coming over there. Let me just like get these drumsticks.
You didn't see the shining golden chest?
Probably, but like also I didn't want to go up there right now. I want to get drumsticks and then go up there, but I'm going there right now.
How much drumsticks do you have?
126.
Oh, I kind of like picked up the pace. I have 114.
Wait, I'm over here. I'm coming.
I'm gonna really try to fly, okay?
Is it like the castle or what? I'm right here.
Yeah, the castle. There's a gold. Wait, how do you get the drumsticks at the top of this?
I never got them.
I feel a bit stupid.
I didn't get them because I also couldn't reach up there. But
Oh! Almost made it. I didn't. How do you get this? There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way. Yeah.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Okay. Did you get the golden chest?
No, that's what I'm trying to do. Did you?
No, I gave up.
If I
Let
can
me know
do
if you
it,
get it.
I'll tell you how.
I'm gonna try to find more drumsticks because tell me why
Tell me
I don't have
why.
that many.
Oh, okay. So I know how you do it.
Ain't
I know how you do
nothing
it.
but a
It's
man.
gonna take it's in trial and error. Can I tell you?
Did you get it?
Let me try to get it, and then I'll see.
At least tell me what's in the chest. 'Cause if it's drumsticks, please.
Wait, no.
Please, I
In the
need
island
that.
where the little like thing is, like where the little what's that called? Light tower is.
What?
There is a chest there that I got that I just remembered right now. So I don't know if and it just gave me some random thing that I don't even know if it's useful. So maybe that's it. Imagine this is a quest and we're just focusing on a quest, like a past quest instead. Why do I need to get drumsticks? I don't want drumsticks. I rather like
Wait. Instead of going into the light tower, we go into the restaurant. Is it 60 drumsticks?
maybe when I get 106. 7.
Genuine question. Okay, let's do the restaurant. Like, it just looks more... not an abandoned... What?
I did it! Oh.
What?
Really?
What?
Really?
What? Oh, I found a chest.
Where?
God. What the heck is that? Ew. What is that?
Where
You get
are
the
you?
trash.
I got
Wait, I'm
the
at the
chest.
restaurant.
It's
I'm at the
literally-
restaurant. Can we go?
Yeah, okay. I'm kind
What's in the chest?
It was just like a little like screw.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, we've been recording for 30 minutes.
Yeah, but most of this is gonna be sped up in like 5 times
If I
speed.
were to keep it like this, it would just be like a 15-minute long video.
Okay. Where are you? Are you gonna stop breaking my Oh, I see drumsticks. I'm going.
Can I break these? Do they have like drumsticks in them? Hello? Bro, give me drumsticks. Okay. I'm so glad I started collecting drumsticks without even knowing. Because like this would have been way even more longer.
Oh, I just got drumsticks.
No, really, because that's the objective.
They're on the roofs of the town.
I know. That's where I've been getting some.
Not all of the roofs.
I
Roofs.
know.
Hey.
Sorry, I'm like, kind of cranky right now. I'm just a baby.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so they're all like on the castle now, so I'm gonna go on the castle.
Tried going on the castle, but it was quite hard. Wait.
I know how to get on the castle. So there's this little umbrella right here. Do you see me? I'm like by where the farmer is. That's where I meet you. Is that you? Oh, I'm right here.
Wait, I'm balancing on a tightrope right now. It's kind of stressful.
That's where I went. Okay, I'm right here. I'm like gonna start floating right now. Okay, come on.
I want to get the drumsticks on top of the purple house, but I can't. Ooh!
Did I break this?
What is this? I just think that's like a random item you put. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Dude. Get back. Oh.
Wait, how did you do that?
You just fly.
I know.
Simple. You just go boo. Oh, wait, I fell.
We just go boom. Oh wait, I fell. I have to keep that in the video.
Yeah. Keep it in the video.
Maybe we should start playing games that we know how to play again. I thought this
I
would
know
be
how to
good.
play this game.
Oh, really? Because, like, you could even get a chest.
I got a chest.
I got the one. I have two. I got two.
Okay.
Oh, I think I found a way to make my life
Lex?
easier. You just go on the tree. You made it way harder than it needed to be.
I tried going on the tree. Me? I made it way harder.
Totally. But like, oh my goodness, I can't talk.
It wasn't that hard. Like, you just fly. I'm gonna try this flying again. Oh, so close. I think you sound like a Disney villain. Ah!
I'm gonna make it.
Maybe the tree will work. I don't know. Doesn't.
The tree
I'm mad
works for
now.
me, so that's a skill issue.
Ah! Ah!
I'm gonna fly away now.
I see. Wait, you're on the beach? Like, why have I not scanned the beach area?
I already got some on the beach. If you hit the little sand
Oh.
castle, you'll get some.
Ooh.
Let's go to the beach, let's go to the wave. Wait, what's this? How does the song go?
Go to the beach, let's go away.
Literally Bubba Tree.
How many, do you have?
Close to 200.
I feel like you're way ahead. Oh.
I have 182.
Ooh. 182. That's really close, but also not close at the same
I have
time.
188.
Oh my god, my fingers are starting to hurt.
My fingers are already hurting. This game,
Did you reach?
I'm still at 188.
Oh, I'm at 189.
Wait, no, that's not fair because no, you can't do that to me. You need to be my friend. And if you
I'm
give
at
me your-
188.
I'm at 194.
I'm in love with you.
Hey, stop copying me. This would be way more
Hey, stop
enjoying.
copying me.
This would be way more enjoying if I was playing music, but like I had to record.
I'm not playing music either. We're in this together, bestie.
I was gonna try to fly somewhere, but like I was risking it all. Risking it all for some drumsticks.
I don't even know where you went. Like, where
I'm like
did you
climbing
go?
this tower right now just to get drumsticks. If I don't win,
Is that you? No, that's not you. I see a bunch of people trying to climb this just to get drumsticks, and they look insane.
where this bird is.
No, wait, this person literally almost wants to drum. Wait, I want to
Wait, I'm so close.
deserve the. I deserve the drumsticks more.
Guys, stop fighting. It's just drumsticks. I say it as I'm angrily trying to climb. Dude! Sorry.
got the drumsticks. I got the drumsticks. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I got the drumsticks. I'm gonna cry.
Why are
I
you
got the
crying?
drumstick. I fought so hard.
You got 200?
The ones you said that were impossible. No, I didn't. The ones you said were
Wait, I have
impossible.
199.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I have 200.
You could. Okay, wait. You gotta wait for me. I'm so close. I have 195.
Okay. I just
Where's the
climbed
last
some-
one you found?
Oh, I'm like going around. I'm gonna get like 250 maybe. Or 230.
How the heck are you gonna get 250?
Okay.
There's like no drumsticks
There's, like,
left
this-
on this entire
There's
map.
like this castle in the sky. It's like in the middle of the map. You need to do some climbing.
Oh yeah, I
here.
couldn't get up there.
I'm literally over here. Last place I needed to go.
How did you get up there? Like I've been trying so hard.
It's so easy. You climb the roof. Okay, wait. I'll go with you. Or you could probably find another place and get like 955. But like, okay. Okay. Come to the purple house with the house with the purple roof.
Oh, I was at the top of the castle before, but like I was at the side of the castle, but I couldn't get up.
I can help you get up.
I'll jump on your robotic microwave head.
I don't care. I already got it. I already have 231.
I'm at the purple house.
Okay.
I'm at the purple house.
Try to
I'm
climb
at
up
the purple house. I'm gonna climb what?
Wait, where are you? I don't see you. I wish you could fly just a little bit higher.
Like there's upgrades.
Probably.
Hey, I'm at the purple house.
I don't see you. Wait, I'm
I'm
coming.
standing on top of it.
Not the purple house. The house with the purple roof.
Yes, this one has a purple roof.
Oh, there's probably multiple then. I thought there was only one.
Well, that's not good.
The one with the tarp. Go to the house where
Oh my God,
there's
wait.
fish in the front.
Wait. Do you see me?
I don't see you.
I'm climbing like a ninja. Look up. I see you.
Oh.
What's happening? I'm
Okay.
scared.
No.
What do I do?
Okay, come over here.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
what you had to do. You had to climb up here. Jump on this. Jump. Okay, can you do that? You gotta fly a little bit. Okay, now
Yes.
you need to fly over here and try to like.
There's like a little like.
Okay. Once you get that emote, you know you're up there. Okay. Then you're gonna fly again.
Now, what is this? I see drumsticks. I see drumsticks. Yum. Goal reached. I did it. I got 200, but I kind of want to get a little more up here because I'm not climbing all the way up here.
Okay.
How do we get up here?
Then you kind of need to fly. You can't really go on ladders in this game. It is pretty annoying. Wait for me.
I did it. Wait, I'm kind of exploring the area. Because I've never been up here, and if I fall, I'm kind of cooked. Here yet? No! 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 What happened? Oh, did you fall?
No.
No.
Maybe? It's okay. I've done this.
No.
No. Why do I laugh like that? You can't do it.
Oh, now you're wheezing. Okay. Oh, my fingers hurt so bad.
Ow. My fingers are like spreading apart, so and I keep going in this position because I'm trying.
Shredding? They're shredding apart? Oh no, that is not good. That is not good.
I said spreading.
Oh,
I'm gonna spread my.
Microwave!
oh no. Okay.
This is so unfunny. We're so unfunny.
Hey, let's just go to the lighthouse. Let's just
Okay.
go to the lighthouse. I'm
so
done.
angry
I'm
now.
done. Oh my god, if you put that, I'm gonna be mad because no. Is that you? Because why did someone do a triple backflip? Why are y'all trying to swim knowing that you are microwaves? Like, this can only end in disaster.
Wait, yeah, but then what about the blobs? Like,
Blobs?
mix-
I don't know why blobs are here. This is a microwave island. I don't know why blobs are here.
no, we're tourists. You remember?
Oh my god, basically, you keep holding X until you start slowing down in the ocean, and then you start flying.
Why? Where? Okay? Where?
Start flying. Spread your wings.
I'm spreading my wings. Well, I'm not gonna show a picture of like angel wings or anything. I'm gonna show a picture of like chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Is that you? Is that you?
I don't know why I was like that. You saw how
So
bad
basically, hold X and then go wee. Hold X. Oh, you made it! You made it! You made it! Wait, no, you didn't. Why am I celebrating?
Yes, I did.
How about I was saying like it earlier? It's me!
Oh, hurry up.
So now we're in
Light.
the lighthouse that
Um,
we have been grinding for, and this is some rusty, musty old place that I don't want to be in.
if we lose this obby, guys, we lose. Which we won't.
Okay.
We
Oh,
totally
I just
won't.
smashed my head. Where do we go? Where?
Why are you following
Oh, wait.
me?
Because I think you're I thought you knew the way, so I'm just like, okay, I'll follow you. And
No, I didn't even know how to do the little driving part. Oh,
please.
wait, so I'm going the wrong way?
I don't understand.
Guys, if I don't...
Oh, wait, I understand it. I understand
Wait,
it.
I
Okay.
accidentally went in screen wreck. Sorry.
You could add that to the video. Make that the thumbnail. I accidentally went in screen wreck.
While playing a microwave.
Your video title.
While
I understand it, yeah.
No, I want to quit. I want to quit. And don't say I'm a lame for quitting when we've been playing for an hour.
Yes.
So I'm not a quitter. I'm just like reasonable.
You're a quitter.
I'm gonna shoot you because if I quit, you have to quit.
Okay, I'm gonna really try. I'm gonna be a tryhard.
If you're tryhard, then that means you're like the 6'7" kids.
No, don't even. I made it! Oh my gosh!
Wait, how about instead of when we fall, I don't put the bone sound effects and I do like glass breaking or like
everything.
smashing.
So basically, you go on this pipe, and then you use the pipe to climb up.
Oh, well, good thing I started going on the pipe more often.
Please.
I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna leave and quit.
Don't.
Bro, this lazy blob, just because we can fly and we're like a robot does not mean we're like capable of doing this. Like robots are just the same as humans.
I bet I've broken my microwave. It's broken.
I'm like gonna, instead of adding bone sound effects, I said this. I'm gonna find like metal breaking or something. It's gonna go, or I'm gonna do like a bang, a metal thud. Oh my!
And then you go under this way, and then you start flying again, and then you go on this panel. Then you fly to the
Oh my
pipe,
goodness.
and
Oh my goodness.
eventually... My tutorial doesn't work. Wait, I
Okay.
want to try again.
Is this the end? Maybe we'll do a part 2, guys.
No. Wait, okay, let's just try again.
This is the last try, okay? If neither of us
Oh.
do it, we quit.
Oh my god. That was such fun. You gotta try again.
Says you.
You did not see that. I love making dolphin noises when I'm laughing. Okay. Okay. Fly like a bird. Now again. Then on the pipe. No, I know how to do it. I made it again.
No, duh,
Please,
you know how
please,
to
it's
do
so
it. I
easy.
get it. I don't know how to do it. Stop rubbing it in my face. I don't even know who
Please,
did.
nothing to do with the pipe now. The pipe is stupid, okay? It's so much more easy. Sorry. Okay. Ready?
You're stupid.
We got this. Okay.
Okay. Just accepts it.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Wait, who did we give the drumsticks to? Hello. Or
Okay,
are we just like
up
showing
there.
them like, yeah, I collected 200 drumsticks and they're all
Okay,
like, popped
now
up.
we go.
You-
Where are you going? Okay, we go up here. No pipe. The pipe doesn't work. I told you. Wait, go in that little sidebar. Never mind. It's too late. Don't even bother. It's so easy this way. Trust.
I quit.
No, please, please, please. It's so easy. I found it a new way.
No, I'm already
Wait.
sleeping in real life and with my robot.
Wait.
Drumstick.
Okay. I'll go first. Logging it. Why can you not get up? Okay. See it? I can get up there first so I don't hog it for you. And then, once you get on the first platform,
Platform.
you fall to your death.
I'd rather just stay here.
No, what are you doing? I think if we use the pipe method, we should easily get up. No. Oh! No!
I don't know how to play anymore. Oh my goodness, my pinky hurts.
I'm really trying. Wait, follow me. Okay, we got this. You know, we can do it. And right?
Did you
Okay,
like,
I got back
voice,
up.
like, did you get like a freaking what's it called? Voice crack when you said wee?
What it sounded like. Oh, you did it! Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. Yes. Okay. Now you're gonna flip around on the pipe. No pipe. Please. That was so bad. Okay, no pipe. Just flip around on the platform, and then you should.
Not in that way.
I'm spreading my microwave. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it.
You flung me.
I am so sorry, I guess. Okay. Pipe method.
You're not a microwave, you're a toaster.
Wait, we're not a microwave?
No, I didn't say. Guys, also happy
Please.
Thanksgiving. If this video is out by
Eh.
Thanksgiving or after, or even before.
I think it's gonna take a long time to edit.
Oh
my gosh. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
I took off my headphones right now so I can't hear what you're saying. Ah!
I know how to do it. Oh my gosh.
You what?
Gosh, it's so easy. So you go on the first platform, right? And then you just go back and then step on this.
I have a sweaty
Microwave! Okay.
I'm kidding.
Oh, first platform. And then go on the platform. Okay.
Okay.
No pipe. I don't go for it at all.
Can
I just did a trickle.
Can I quit?
Why did it sound like I just did a tinkle? No.
No.
I said I just did a triple backflip. Okay, you don't need to do flying for that. It's a simple jump.
Oh well, I don't know that. I rather fly.
Well, now you do. Okay, so see me. Watch me whip. Watch me whip. Now watch me.
I'll watch you fall. This game is not made for the weak. Also, please don't bully us if you're good at parkour. Like, we don't play parkour games, okay?
Nobody's good at parkour.
Well,
This game's literally impossible. How can anyone be good at this game?
there was
It's
somebody
so-
else.
Oh my gosh, you're amazing, sweetie.
I'm leaving. I think that can it be all.
Why am I calling you sweetie now?
Okay, guys, I think that's
You're
all.
my babby robot.
Well, our
just a
data
babby.
does save, so I think maybe we could play this another time on a live on another video. But like, you guys don't like this video might seem short to you guys. We have 1 hour of footage. No joke. So yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Microwave!